Hello guys, this is the Clarissa Blue Train Spotter here. Welcome back to another video, this time at Sandwell Dudley on the West Coast Mainline, where we should see plenty of services from Avanti West Coast, cross country, London Northwestern Railway, Transport for Wales and West Midlands Railway. West Midlands Railway's 350-405 brought me in from Birmingham New Street, working a service from Walsall to Wolverhampton, and absolutely nothing has happened since other than him departing. So yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and let's see what shall arrive, depart. I'll carry on recording as we now coming in. We now have coming in the I'll get it on the side of the door. This is from Edinburgh to London Euston, I tell you that, it's Avanti West Coast. 39136. Right, I'll have to get it on real-time trains. City of Coventry. Yeah, I'll have to look at real-time trains for this. Right, yeah, now you can sit back, relax, enjoy the video and see what else shall arrive, depart and pass by here at Sandwell and Dudley. Okay, looks like 390-136 is just about ready to depart with the 1056, I want to say. Yeah, 1056 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Edinburgh. That's work out what hour of the day it was. Okay, now approaching is the 1103 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. $352.39. Okay, as 350-239 now gets ready to depart, I think we should be having a West Midlands Railway Class 196 passing by, working to Juliet 16 from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury.
From the 21st of May, your timetables will be changing to help you become more reliable and more consistent. Please check what's changing in advance by visiting wmr.uk/May23 or ask a member of our team.
No sign of the 196 yet, as you can see, so I'll start recording again when I do see him. Okay, as I still wait for the 196, we also have a pair of 350s about to pass by for London Northwestern Railway. working, I think it's 1 Golf 47 from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. So it's 350 108 on the front. Double shift train. I think he's going to stop at a red light because obviously he's chasing the Wolverhampton service. 350 122 on the rear, multitasking train. Where's the 196? Broken down? Probably. Here's the 196. In case you didn't hear me, it was 196 108. Speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it's sorted. There you go. Simple as. Okay, now approaching will be 221 124 and 220 013 for cross country, working 1 Mike 30 from Oxford to Manchester Piccadilly. Oh, lovely smell of diesel. You don't get you can't have a Voyager passing you without a smell of diesel from you. Okay, now arriving will be 390 020. Yeah, for Avanti West Coast, working the 1117 service to Glasgow Central from London Euston.
There is no tactile paving at the edge of the platform. Take care and mind the step and gap when you board the train. To make everyone's journey more enjoyable and smooth, paving is not permitted anywhere on the rail network.
Okay, looks like 390 020 is just about ready to depart. Okay, now approaching will be the 1123 West Midlands Railway service to Wolverhampton from Walsall.
Platform for the 1123 West Midlands Railway service to Wolverhampton. Please stand back from the platform edge until the train
It is worked by 350 261.
edge of the platform. Take care and mind the step and gap when you board the train.
Okay, it looks like 350-261 is now just about ready to depart. Okay, now approaching will be 150-264 and 158-835, working the delayed 1120 Transport for Wales service from Holyhead to Birmingham International. I do like a 150-158 combination, it has to be said. Do you know what, I think that livery's kind of growing on me now. Especially on the 150. Like, at first I wasn't too sure about the Transport for Wales livery, but I think it's growing on me now. It actually looks alright now. Okay, it looks like they are just about ready to depart. It was 150-264 who's done the entire journey from Holyhead to Birmingham International. It was at Chester that these two first met. Go on, say the full station name, for God's sake. Llanfairpwll, Gringill, Gogerry, Crinjowl, Llantysilio, go. Simple as. Okay, now approaching will be 158-826 and 837, working the 1130 Transport for Wales service from Birmingham International to Holyhead. 158-826 will do the full journey to Holyhead, and 837 will terminate at Shrewsbury.
Take care and mind the step and gap when you board the train. Cornwall, headline bound,
Oh, she tried. I think she tried there. She tried with the full name. She went Llanfairpwll, Gringill. Now for the rest. Nah, alright. Lazy. That's what you are, lazy. Anne would go as far as Llanfairpwll, to be fair. Okay, I think they're just about ready to depart. That was a beautiful smell of diesel. Okay, now approaching will be the 11:33 West Midlands Railway service to Walsall from Wolverhampton. I think it'll be 3:50 4:05 on his return, the one that brought me in here earlier. Okay, looks like he's just about ready to depart. Okay, now about to pass by will be another 196 for West Midlands Railway, working 2 Golf 11 from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. (196,007) with 196,008. Okay, now coming. I'll do that afterwards. It's 3:51.22 and 1:08 on their return. Yeah, 3:51.22 and 1:08 on their return. Working 1 Foxtrot 5-4 from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. Okay, now approaching will be 221-123 for cross country, working 1 Oscar 14 from Manchester Piccadilly to Oxford. Lovely smell of diesel with it. Okay, now coming in will be the 11:53 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. No, from Walsall to Wolverhampton.
West Midlands Railway service to Wolverhampton. Please stand back from the platform.
3:50-253.
There is no tactile paving at the edge of the platform.
I think I may have seen him earlier when I was at Duddeston on my first train. Okay, looks like 3:50-253 is just about ready to depart. All the doors are closed. And these are. Huh? Yeah, it's open, yes. Okay, now approaching will be our final train in the video. Will be 390-044 for Avanti West Coast. There goes the div on a motorbike. Yeah, 390-044 for Avanti West Coast, working the 11:56 service from Glasgow Central to London Euston. So with the lion on the front, the name tag of Royal Scot. And as he comes to a halt, unloads, and guessing loads more passengers and everything else in between, I shall conclude this video there, guys. Yeah, Sandwell Dudley's been an alright station. Yeah, I do like this station a lot. There's plenty of traffic, both train-wise and car-wise. Yeah, like, it is very busy in terms of like rail traffic. I do really like it here, and I will be making more visits here, like paying more visits here, you know, at various points in my lifetime. Yeah, I do recommend this station if you've not been here before. Yeah, like I keep saying, it's just a good station to film at. Plenty of passenger traffic, like freight traffic, yeah, you don't really get too much freight. Like, I haven't got any freight here today. I think you'll only ever really get the one freight train through here, and that'll be like a Wolverhampton Steel terminal to, I think, Boston Sleaford or something like that. Yeah, I think that's just about everything that needs to be saying. My next station will hopefully be Aston. I'm going to make my way there just after this. It's on the Cross City line, where we should see plenty of services purely from West Midlands Railway. Maybe a bit of freight as well if we're lucky. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and go and follow me on Twitter. There's a link in the description to that. And until Aston, I shall catch you all later, guys. Cheerio.